Each and every day, great stuff comes through the doors here at TheBigToyAuction.com. Our consigners bring us all kinds of goodies. Our pickers are out there looking for the next best thing to bring to you, and we get a chance to see stuff like this. This is no exception. This is the green Power Ranger, Tommy, and his pet dragon in the form of the Dragonzord. And I'm going to walk you around and show you every little nook and cranny as we have it here. Now, if you go to the catalog right now, you're going to see some pictures. You're going to see some flat images, because that's what the catalog allows us to do. But here in this video, you're going to get a chance to see it in full 3D rotation. That way, you get a chance to see the light shining off of it and reflecting. That way, if there's a giant crease in the box right here, you might not see that in the image, but you will see it in the video. If there's a tear, if there's a nook or a cranny hopping out there, a little tiny ding, maybe this tiny little bit of a bulge you can see. I imagine that was factory done. I don't think that was from our consigner at all. You'll get a chance to see that. So that's why we like to do that. I'm going to take a moment here and show you just exactly the size on this before we continue our journey marching all the way around. About 17 inches up and down. Remember, that is the box. About 12 inches or so. Yeah, a little under 11 inches or so. Do you care about such things? Well, maybe you do. I don't know. But we want you to know everything that you would know if you were here in the gallery with us. So we've moved around this way. Let's continue on our journey. But first, I want to show you exactly what this is. So this Dragonzord, which does not have a lot of articulation in those arms, but still looks very cool. He comes with his power laser drill, and when you combine him with our Dragonzord, you get this ugly, ugly monster, this monstrosity right here, but with really cool shoulder cannons. He keeps his sword, and he picks up... no, that's not his sword. That's the sword of the Megazord right there. Hard to say sword and Megazord in the same sentence. And then his drill becomes that. Now you want to go even further, you combine them with all of those things, and you have yourself a party. So a very cool piece. Let's finish going all the way around. I want you to notice any kind of damage. I'm not seeing any. I'm not seeing any scrapes or scratches. A lot of times you get, just from opening it up as a Christmas present, you get some pull on the tape will tear parts of it. You'll get window damage right here, and that's why we let the light shine on it so you can see, is it reflecting any kind of weird ways that show cracking or yellowing or discoloration, anything like that. Oftentimes this part will be removed and missing because that's what it was designed to do. And then you'll just have sometimes some flap wear from mishandling or mistreatment. You'll even have some water damage sometimes. And I'm not seeing any of those things. This is really just a pristine piece. So it's a tribute to our consigner who kept it just in such immaculate condition for over 30 years now. Now, one more thing we're going to do, we'll show you two important parts that you might not be able to see in the catalog, is the bottom, including this right here. Let's zoom in if we can. Maybe we can't. We might have to do it in post. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see that. Are you able to see the tape on that? If not that, you might be able to see better in the catalog because we can zoom a little bit better. It's on there. Never been removed, never been tampered with, and even the bottom of the box is in great shape. What about the top? Did somebody sneak it out? No, no, no. Sometimes, you know, good collectors, not good, crafty, I don't know. Everybody's a good collector. If you like what you like, you're a good collector. But sometimes, collectors who are good at removing this will slide a little razor across there, and then, but we're not seeing that either. Check out that tape. And again, if you can't see it great here, we'll try to light it up, then you'll see it in the catalog. Never been touched. So this is brand new in the box. You can see the original provenance right there, $29.99 at Toys R Us. Oh man, if only it cost that now, that'd be fantastic. However, $29.99, that was a lot of money back in 1993. That'd buy you quite a few toys back then. But this is it, the Dragonzord from the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. You know, if you're into such things, this might be one that you'd want to send in and get graded. It might be one that you want to wrap for yourself under the Christmas tree this year and just dive into it, or you put it up on a shelf and do it. However way you choose to collect, however way you choose to bid, we're going to be there to help and support you. You can head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com with the links in the description, or over there in the catalog, wherever you may be viewing this particular preview. You can leave those pre-bids right now if the auction is still going. It's live right now when I posted this. Hopefully you didn't miss out. Hopefully you're not coming here a year from now, 5 months from now, 6 months from now. And if you are, click on all the buttons that you need to do to get heads up about the next video, the next preview, and the next auction so that you don't miss out. But if you haven't yet, you can click on those, leave those pre-bids, or join us live at auction day. Either way, we'll see you at the auction.